work on a couple different techniques now. I'm gonna have Don teach, and you've seen him on some previous episodes. He's got some really good stuff to teach here, so.
So what I want to share with you today is trapping. Okay, I posed a question to Joe prior to us setting up the camera, and the question was, what are the differences between trapping and blocking?
Yeah. I don't know if I answered it real well, but it's just that kind of a block turns into a trap, and it's just immobilizing just even for a millisecond to where they can't counter attack.
Right.
Now this is more for our jabs. Look what's happening here.
Your jab is to keep them off,
yeah,
not to knock them out.
Right.
You follow me? So
yeah.
That's why he pulled it back.
Yeah.
He pulled it back. But now if he don't pull it back.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
See? I'm here.
Okay.
There you go. Right, guys?
The jabs, I'm not gonna lock up.
But it's still enough. It's enough of a trap to where it's delaying me for just a millisecond. Yep.
Because you're still gonna have it opening.
Yeah. You're getting a trap in there where it's just throwing me off just for a millisecond, which is enough. You're not going to usually run into the guy that's...
Right. No, you're not going to run into him. But if you do run into him...
Yeah. You still have options with these when I'm here.
But you had the option to do the same thing.
Absolutely.
You have to keep the distance even further.
So say I'm more educated of a boxer or a kickboxer and I jab. Say he misses it.
Okay.
His defense is still intact.
I'm still not in punching range.
He's still intact. He's not going to make any mistakes that are going to compromise his positioning.
And the only way to actually survive against the boxer is for you to get as close as you can to him.
I have to just say that this is your average attacks on the street in real life, are these uneducated swinging punches.
Right. Okay, say when he coming in, go. Okay, you see how I'm stepping in? Okay, I can do whatever I want to do to him. I can chop him across the arm, hit him in the stomach. I can pop him with elbow. Why not? Hit him across the joint and elbow him. Hit him across the joint, elbow him, pull him in. See this?
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, do that slow. What's happening? He's drawing that in, and he's rotating that over and coming right in with the elbow to my chin. See? So notice, this is stuff I want you all to think about, and we're going to go more in depth on this, and this is just the very basics of this, the very basics of trapping. Yep.